I have a problem with this van in that I don't always know where it is. However, I think I can solve that for just £5. Now, I'm not concerned with anti-theft measures with this. This is not really what I'm going for here. It's a 190,000 mile electric van. I don't need to worry too much about it getting stolen, I don't think. But I'm not always the person driving it. Just the other day, I had a guy that does some driving for me. I went to pick up some alloy wheels from a refurbishing place. He got lost. He rang me. He's like, "Look, I don't know where I am. I don't know where the place is that I'm meant to be heading to. Where do I need to go?" And I thought, well, rather than having you describe to me where you are on the phone, if I could just pull up the location of where the van is, it would be absolutely ideal, because then it would be really easy to give you directions. And so I started looking at GPS trackers. Quite a common thing in it for people to track their fleet and work out where their vans are at any given moment. And I thought that's just what I need for my business so that I can keep tabs on this and stop those situations, or at least be able to help out more with them in the future. So I had a look on Amazon, and this is what I ended up with. This isn't a sponsored video. I haven't been asked to review this or anything like that. I just was so staggered by how cheap it is that I thought it was something that was worth actually showing you. So this is the FMT 200 by TrueTrack. And it is a 4G enabled GPS tracker for a car, van or motorbike. And basically it's just a little box here that now if you were going for like anti-theft type tracking, you could probably hide this somewhere because it's pretty small. It just needs a 12 volt supply. Now I'm going to do the sort of bare minimum install with this, in that I'm going to plonk it on top of the battery under the bonnet and connect it to the battery terminals, because as I said, I'm not worried about theft. I'm not worried that someone's going to steal my van and then find it's got a tracker on it, remove the tracker, all that kind of stuff. That's not what we're going for here. If you were worried about someone stealing your car or your bike or whatever, you're going to have to hide this. You're going to have to put it somewhere creative where someone's not going to find it. But because it really is just fleet tracking, i.e. knowing where this is at any given moment that I'm looking for, that's exactly how we're going to install this here. I've actually had cars from the auctions before where things like this have still been installed in them. And they're installed in a very similar way. So basically, I'll come closer to the camera and show you. We've got a couple of like spade connectors here. So I'm just going to slacken off the battery terminals, stick these in them, and it'll be good to go. Now, the most important bit that I haven't mentioned yet is this was £4.99. And I can't quite believe, actually, in this day and age, you can buy something like this that's ready to go with a SIM card already installed in it for £5. Now, there is an ongoing cost for this service, like the cellular service. It's like £5 a month you need to sign up for and pay for. So obviously that's how the company behind these make their money, but I was staggered that something like this could be quite so cheap. So the installation is pretty straightforward, and I'll give you a closer look in a sec, but basically got a couple of bits on the battery we can stick those connectors into. I just need to slacken them off. I'll need a slightly bigger spanner for that one. Okay, so we have the tracker mounted on the battery with a provided Velcro pad and wired in to the positive and negative battery terminals. Can't get that back off, you'll take my word for it, but we're connected to the terminals like this on both of those with a black and red wire, fairly straightforward. And you can now see that there's a couple of lights on there showing that it is working. So the next step then will be to move this outside to make sure it can get a good GPS fix and activate it using the TrueTrack app. So it seems the first step in the activation process is to go for a drive. It says after installation, drive for 5 minutes and then try to activate the tracker using the app. So I'm going to do that, and then hopefully it should be pretty straightforward from there on in. Okay, so I'm back from a little trial run and then carried out the activation. That process was really easy, but I didn't film it because you've got to enter lots of personal information, serial numbers on the device and stuff like that. But basically all you need is They asked me for my Amazon order number, which obviously was easy enough to find, and then the serial number from this sticker, which was stuck to the tracker when I installed it. You enter those details, you create an account with a username and password, and then you can log into the app and you can see all the history of the device. So if I bring up a screen recording of the app here, you can see the van that I'm sat in at the moment, currently parked outside my unit. And then I can replay the last journey, and I can see I basically went on my test drive route around the block, and then you can see where it was, the speed it was doing at each point, and all that kind of stuff. And then on top of that, you can enable like overspeed warnings and harsh braking warnings and all that kind of stuff like that if you want to. I'm primarily concerned with just being able to locate the thing at any given moment and see exactly where the van is. If someone else is out in it, it isn't me, and I can see exactly where they are, and that, you know, everything's going as planned. And it seems to do that pretty well. Now, time will tell, and I'll probably do a follow-up on this going forward as to how good this actually is. At the moment, we're using the 14-day free trial, which lets me use the connected services without paying any more. So just for that £5 that I paid for the device, I can try it out for a couple of weeks, make sure it's okay, and then sign up for the subscription that enables it to keep working. And providing it works okay and everything seems good, I will do that, and then maybe bring you like an update after a few months, maybe more so if I have any problems with it, and I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it. But on the whole, it seems that yes, it is possible to install a GPS tracker in your van for a £5. If you ignore the ongoing cost, but then it's like £5 a month ongoing as well, which I don't think is that bad at all. I'm quite impressed by how cheap it is and how featureful it seems to be, and also how easy that was to set up. As always, let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion. Is this something that you would look for? Is it something that you're surprised how cheap it is? I certainly was. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.